Whether you like it or not, LinkedIn is an incredibly powerful marketing tool, whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or a business of any size. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step plan to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Hey everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. Subscribe to our channel for regular videos. Let's start with the profile picture first. So conventional wisdom says to choose a professional, high quality, and recent headshot. But this could also be something that reflects your personal brand or industry and the impression that you want to make with your network. If you're a full-time employee, you'll want to consider an image that's aligned with your company culture. Something that shows your face ensures your networks and recruiters trust who you are. My recommendation, keep it simple. Choose a clean, neutral background, use soft, natural light, a high-resolution image, and shoot wide and crop later. Next comes the LinkedIn banner or cover page. Your cover should be sized properly with all of the important elements in this central area to maximize visibility across devices and complement your photo, from graphic elements to color scheme and design. However, not everyone has the design chops to create one from scratch, and that's where I want to introduce you to Venngage, which offers pre-designed and customizable templates for all social media platforms. Not just that, Venngage has templates for any sort of infographics you could possibly think of. And with its online template editor, you can customize it in any way you like and download in any format. Now, back to LinkedIn, where we have the headline next. Your LinkedIn headline is prime real estate for profile impact. While this short description is often used for job titles, you can take it a step further by adding keyword-rich terms that succinctly capture who you are as a professional. But professional worth is not measured by the buzzwords we use. Instead, it's measured by actions and achievements. So go descriptive, write about results, list what you can do, and if it's relevant, how long you've been doing it. Next comes the experience section. The human attention span is short and makes snap judgments. So make sure your experience covers the full breadth of what you bring to the table. You should think of it as much more than an online resume. Not just work history, but add contract positions, part-time jobs, freelance experience, and projects, along with detailed summaries and results. That means action-focused, keyword-rich, concise language, and the active voice to get you there a little bit quicker. When describing your experience or job, be more meaningful about it. See how the second option is bigger and packs a bigger punch? It's more direct, more descriptive, and easy to understand. An important tip to back up any claims you make on your profile is to add multimedia content to your profile. You may think this only applies to creative fields, but adding engaging content in the form of a screenshot, document, or slideshow is social proof that you are who you say you are. So highlight key accomplishments, most notably up-to-date projects, and media mentions using the featured sections. And that's a wrap for today's quick guide. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.